Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Marvice Jeanette and I am back with another video. Today on this Feasting Friday is the second part of our three-part series on preparing desserts, and today we will be preparing a delicious peach cobbler. So first we're going to start with putting our peaches into our bowl. The peaches have to have heavy syrup, followed by the granulated sugar. Gotta make it sweet. And then brown sugar. We will also be adding starch and cinnamon. We have to have cinnamon in the peach cobbler. Cinnamon just helps bring it all together. And then we stir all of that goodness together, and it's gonna be oh so good. Oh so good. So once we are done mixing it, we are preparing our batter, our bread batter that goes into the middle, that ties the peaches and everything together, that makes that peach cobbler come together. So we're going to add brown sugar along with granulated sugar into our bowl, and we're also going to add in flour. And how much flour you add in is solely up to you, depending upon how much bread you want in your peach cobbler. I wanted a little extra bread in mine, so I did a little more flour. And then we add the water in. After the water, this is the good part. We stir it all together, whisk it in, and make it smooth and creamy. You want to make sure you get all of the lumps out of your batter. Take your time and work your wrist. All right, you got to work your wrist to get all of those lumps out and get everything smooth. And then with the pie crust that you buy, you're going to flatten it all out, roll it out. I got two because I like one in the bottom of my pan, and then I like to put one on top of the peach cobbler. All right, so since this is a pie crust, it comes in a circular form, but we need this to be in a rectangular form. So we cut the sides off and we position them to form a rectangle, and then we use our rolling pin to mesh the dough together so that it can have the correct form, just like this. All right, so we put the first layer in the bottom of the pan because, like I stated, I like to have crust on the bottom, the peaches and all of the batter, and then I like to put another crust on the top. And I'm telling you, you are going to love this, okay? You're definitely going to love it. So you're going to flatten everything out to make sure that it fully covers the bottom of the pan. Then you're going to put your peaches and that good mixture that you made on the stove and add cornstarch to it because you want it to kind of thicken up. Now is the fun part. You lay those peaches on top of that bottom crust. Whew, doesn't that look good? Here I'm just adding in some of the juices to make it flow and everything can just mesh so well together. I didn't need all of those peaches, as you can see. And here is that batter that we whisked up, which is going to be the center. All of that bread. Whew, man. Now I'm just adding some more of the syrup to kind of balance out the syrup to bread or dough ratio. And it's going to be so delicious. I can assure you that you will not be disappointed. Okay? One of the peaches fell out, so I just had to tuck it away. Tuck it away. Got to make it look pretty. Okay? So now we're coming to the part to where we are adding the top layer of crust to cover this peach cobbler. And as you can see, there is an excess amount of dough hanging from the pan, and all we're going to do is cut that off so that we can keep it looking pretty and make sure that everything is even. You want to keep the same consistency, make sure everything is even. If you want to put designs on your peach cobbler, I just showed you, just poke around a knife on it. All right. So on top of that, you're going to add some more brown sugar so that your top crust can have a sweetness to it. And also I like to add some melted butter. That way when that top crisp, oh my gosh, when that crisp hits that top, it's just so good, buttery and flaky. So you add that brown sugar and add some more cinnamon to the top. This is before it went into the oven, and this is the after effect. Does not this look delicious? I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. If you want this recipe, drop a comment below. And until next time, may peace and blessings be unto you all. Thank you.